You guys want to hear some more shit? No, I'm not. I can't even play this. This is too.
I'll play you guys a Ricky verse because it's too crazy. I know you guys probably screaming for this shit. On this shit because I can't even fucking. I get sued on that shit. Woo! Bro, I can't wait to show you guys fucking Ricky on this shit, bro. Because he fucking snapped on this shit. I can't even play it. This is just the instrumental. Hear that shit? He's speaking ZR3 shit on this. I don't even know what kind of shit he's saying. It's crazy as fuck. I can't even hear that 808 on the fucking phone. Let me play some others. This is some fucking. This is R&B shit. I can't even talk about this shit. I shouldn't even.